Okay, welcome viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Mr. X Life in England. And today is Saturday, the 21st of March 2026. And the time is now 5 minutes to 1. It is now 5 minutes to 1. Today, Saturday, the 21st of March 2026. And today, Mr. X Life in England is coming to you from a different section of East London, England. We are coming to you from a different section of East London, England. So we are at where we call it town center. This is where they call it Barking and Dagenham. That's what it is. Look how colorful these flats are here in this part of East London. We have never been here before, but look at these flats, how they look. That's an old building right there. We will soon get it, but let's get the town center, or what you call the council office, the town hall. So this is the town hall. That's a clock up there. It's telling you that it's 3 minutes to 1. And this is the town hall. This is where central government, not central government, this is where the council offices, this is what you call them, the council office. These are the people where they take orders from central government here. You understand? So we call it, this is a local government office, all right, which is the council office, the local government building, which is a council building. This is where these people put up your council tax and all kinds of stuff on you. Charge you to park in your neighborhood when you're already paying for parking in your neighborhood to the council in your council tax, and yet still they're giving you a ticket when you park on the street. So double jeopardy. They can't abide by their rules and their laws. Understand? You pay council tax for parking, yeah, but yet still they charge you if your car park out on the street. They come and they put a PCN on your car. But if you know what you're doing, you can fight them and win, because you're paying council tax for parking. Check your council tax and look and see if it doesn't say parking. Yep, if you are paying for it, you can challenge it in court and win. So this is Barking. It's really Barking and Dagenham. They're both together. So see, I'm going to show you the board over here where it says it on. Barking Learning Center. And if you look on this board here, this board here, on the board here, on the board here, you see where it says Barking and Dagenham. So we're going to try and go through both, okay? So let's take a walk. That is the council building. These are the enforcers for central government. They bully the people take your council tax, put you in flat that is unfit for human occupation, and yet still they put people in the flats that filled with mold, water coming through your roof and all of that stuff. These are the people who charge you council tax. Council tax should be abolished. Council tax should be abolished because it is tearing into people's income. The government take your 20 and 30% of your income every month and every week, but yet still they're charging you 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 1,000 pounds a year for council tax, which is not adding up to me. So let's take a look at this bill. What is this building? Look like some. It is very, very old. Those look like Romans up there. It says for war. Don't know what it is, but let's look if we see any plaque with any information. It said WR. What is it? 1962 or 1862? Look more like 1862, yeah? Alright, look like a S. So, if you notice, a lot of flats going up here in England. A lot of flats going up in England. And the reason why? London, England is getting very, very congested. It's already congested with cars, but I'm telling you about it is getting very overpopulated with humans. So that's why they are building flats. They are going up. They can't just build houses anymore. They have to build flats to go up so they can have more people. Just a similar thing to New York City. You know, you go in the suburbs, you can get houses, but in the cities, you're having like high-rise building. You got building like those, like flats. Call them in condominiums and all of that stuff. So that's one of the reasons. Excuse me, not to judge.
Yes, sir.
Respect. How the man doing?
Pleasure.
All right, respect. All right, you know, this is I'm a YouTuber, so you see me with my camera. This is what part of it is Dagenham, because this part is saying Barking, and I see it's a Barking and Dagenham. Yes, so Dagenham is over that side, right, on the other side, and over this side here where I'm at is Barking. The other side is Dagenham. Okay. Which side you recommend for me to go get some nice views of the neighborhood? Dagenham. All right, you from Dagenham, yeah?
Bless, yeah?
Respect, man. Bless up, yeah. All right. Okay, so we are in the market. We are in the market here in Barking, and the dreadlocks. I must go over there. In Dagenham, I can get some good videos over there. So So there goes the hustling and bustling going on. It starts feeling warm. And as you can see, England is basking in sunshine. Yeah, we've been getting a lot of sunshine because it is now, where is it? Spring? We're about in springtime now.
The Lord Jesus Christ and you.
Hello, ma'am.
God bless you.
God bless you too. God bless you. You have a good Saturday. I am a Lord. Yes, I am a believer and a server of the Lord Jesus Christ.
God bless you.
Yes, thank you. You're welcome. You too.
Everyone that believes on the Lord Jesus, God
Okay. This is what she gave me. Do you know that God can recycle too? Okay. So yes, this is the market in Dagenham and Barking Market, I guess, because it's on both sides. Okay, so as we do our walk by here, we are in at the moment the Dagenham and Barking Market. Oh, toys galore. It's not even Christmas, you got all the birds flying.
No, exactly.